All right, welcome back. Now, right now, illegal immigrants can apply for a 2-year reprieve from deportation. The DREAM Act started yesterday, and a Medford law office says their phones have been flooded with calls about it. Now with us in the news center is John Almaguer from Idiart Law Group. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so first off, you say the biggest misconception is that yesterday it marks the start of the program, but actually that's the application process that began.
Well, the thing is, this is not the DREAM Act per se. The DREAM Act would give residency and ultimately lead to citizenship. This does neither. This is a temporary stay in the United States. It disallows people from being deported as long as they comply with the rules and regulations. But this will not lead to citizenship. This will not lead to residency. So it's not the DREAM Act. We still need to fight for the DREAM Act to happen one day.
Oh, okay. So what is this actually that a lot of people are asking about? You said that your phones have been going off the hook about this.
Well, what this is, it's deferred action, and so the new name they've decided to give it is DACA, Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals. And so what this does is this allows a student to come out of the shadows, if they qualify, to file an application so that they could get a work authorization and a social security number. So this would allow a student, young adult, to be able to get a driver's license, get a job, work towards going to college.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, and how do people apply for it?
It's the process started yesterday, and one of the things I'm trying to really let people know is the program started yesterday. It didn't end yesterday. We have plenty of time still to file an application responsibly. So what happens is you file an application, there's a $465 filing fee, and it's a multi-step process. They're looking over at your application to see if you're eligible, then they'll issue you a work authorization. And for some people, the majority not, but for some people they'll be eligible to apply for an advanced parole down the road, so they could actually leave the country and come back and still maintain their two-year status. And this will be renewable every 2 years while the program lasts.
Okay, and this program, though it lasts till January, it's still temporary, though.
Well, the program is lasts 2 years. It's a 2-year cycle as long as it's renewed. So January is when we'll have, November is when we'll know if we're going to have this for another 4 years, if we have a President Obama, if we have a President Romney in January, we'll have to see what he decides to do with this program, because he could decide to take it off the table.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you very much. John Almaguer from Idiart Law Group joining us this morning, and we'll be right back.